Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel an open order on Binance in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, you want to log into your Binance account using either the mobile app or the website. And once you're logged in, you want to head over to the trade section at the bottom, click this, and here you'll see options like spot or convert, margin. Select the one where your open order is placed. Now, for example, let me choose spot. Here, you want to look for the open orders tab. Just scroll down here, open orders, and this is where Binance lists all of your ongoing orders. And if you have multiple trades running, take a moment to carefully find the exact one you want to cancel. When you found it, just simply tap the cancel button next to that order. Binance will instantly stop that trade, and the funds you set aside will be released back into your account for you to use again. You also get a confirmation that the cancellation was successful. And that's it. You've learned how to cancel an open order on Binance. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.